Hey again, PE fam, Coach Lessert here. In this screencast, I'm going to explain to you how the daily workout activity log is going to go down. So this is the largest part of our course. Again, our daily workouts are going to be 4 times per week. You will work out, and then you're going to record each of those workouts on this daily workout activity log. So when you find the workout, which again, it will be posted on Google Classroom. It'll look something like this. I'll post on the day that it's assigned. I'll post the workout here. Okay, you'll click into it, and it'll give you a detail about what the workout is, what it looks like, and I'll explain more about how to make sense of these. This one happens to be a buddy workout. After you complete your workout, then you will complete your daily workout log. So a link to the log will be posted every single day on Google Classroom, but again, it's also on your PE assignment schedule, workout activity log. It's there every single day, but it's the same form. So once you get the routine down, it's the same thing for every single workout. So the workouts will vary, but the recording of the workouts and the data that we're recording is all the same. So say today is Tuesday, 4/14. I'm going into my daily workout. So my daily workout today is the I Go, You Go Buddy Challenge. So you're going to take your heart rate 3 times. This is very important. 3 times. Before, during, and 2 minutes after your workout. So as a reminder, how do we find our heart rate? Okay, so you're going to count your pulse for 6 seconds and multiply that by 10. So we can do the multiplication later, but for now, to find your heart rate, remember we take our 2 fingers, and you're going to put it up against your neck right here underneath your jawline, and you'll find your pulse. So it's only 6 seconds. So you'll want to take your iPhone, right, and just go into the stopwatch feature here. And before your workout, just simply count your pulse. So you're going to start for 6 seconds. Stop. So I counted 7, right? So I'm simply going to record the number 7. That's it. Okay. Then I'm going to go into my workout, and I'm going to complete my workout, right? Boom, boom, boom. I'm working out. Halfway through the workout, when you feel that you're about halfway done, so in this case, 15 minutes, so maybe around minute 7, I'm going to stop, and I'm going to take my heart rate one more time. Now, if I'm in the middle of my workout, I likely counted more pulses, right? So let's say for that one, I counted 13 pulses. Just write 13, okay? Then you keep on going on with your workout. Done, done, done. I've completed my workout. Once you have completed your workout, wait 2 minutes. Again, feel free to use that timer again and just wait for 2 minutes. Then you're going to take your heart rate for the 3rd and final time. Same thing, 6 seconds. You're just going to count. And stop. So this time, let's say I counted 11. Okay, I'm just recording 11. All right, we can do the math later. So now I've completed my workout. I've taken my heart rate for 3 times before, during, and after my workout. Now I'm going to go to the daily workout log. Name, period. What time did I complete my workout? We'll say 8 a.m. Where was I? Living room. Now, my heart rate before my workout, remember I wrote that 7? I'm going to take that 7 and multiply it by 10. 10 times 7 equals 70. So I'm going to go ahead and record 70 here. Heart rate number 2, I wrote down 13. 13. Let's multiply that by 10. 130. So go ahead and record 130. Heart rate number 3, I said I counted 11, right? Times 10, 110. Go ahead and record 110 here. Now, mood chart. How am I feeling? You know what? After my workout today, I'm feeling a little unamused. I'm kind of not into the whole PE thing yet. So just honestly record how you're feeling. So if you're finished your workout and you're feeling super happy, then put happy. If you're feeling sick, no problem, put sick. But for today, we'll go with unamused. This is the last point. That's the critical point. This is the accountability point, okay? So I want you to take a photo or up to a 10-second video of you completing your workout. This is for evidence of completion and accountability, okay? So I can make sure that you're actually completing these workouts. So you'll want to make sure that you upload a file here to your workout log. So I have recorded about a 6-second video of my workout today. It was the air squat. So I'm just going to highlight that and select it. Try that again. So we're going to highlight that and select it. And there it's going to show that it's uploaded my movie. So likely most of you are going to be doing this on your phone. So you'll just go into your photos and videos and upload it from there. And then of course, click submit. That will complete your assignment for the day. So again, you have your daily workout, okay, daily workout. Then you're going to complete your daily workout activity log. Now, what does this mean on my end? At the end of the day, I'm going to be able to see, this is on Coach Lessert's end, I'm going to be able to see the date, the time that you completed it, location, and all of those heart rates. And I'm going to populate a chart for you so we can track your heart rate, which is an indication of your fitness, yeah? And also a mood chart. So we'll see during this whole process how your mood has shifted, and maybe that's just something that we can, work on separately and see how the two are interconnected, working out and mood, and just some data to play around with at the end of the day. So that completes our tutorial on completing the daily workout. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to check in with me.